Hey guys, it's Aisha. So today I'm going to be trying to follow Nikkietutorials makeup video. I don't really do intense makeup that much. I only do it when I go out clubbing or when I have a festival on, but haven't done intense makeup in so long. So pretty excited to do like a full face today. I'm going to be trying to follow her sultry warm tone smoky eye using her Modern Renaissance. I looked up a tutorial where she's using the Modern Renaissance palette because I have that and it'd just be easy to follow. So we're gonna get started with this. I'm kind of nervous.
Trying this on camera. I've been using this foundation today. I'm gonna go in with this Guerlain one. This is called.
I don't have that foundation, so I'm gonna be using my Benefit Hello Flawless.
There is an Artiste brush, and we all recognize.
I don't have that either, so we're just gonna use a brush because she uses a brush.
You're just gonna foundation your face up. And I swear using the Artiste brushes for your foundation is one of the fastest. Just brush it on and the brush does all the work.
I'm actually scared because I never do foundation before I do really intense eyeshadow. So, and I always do my brows first.
Concealer, I'll be trying two new ones today. The first one is going to be
I look naked, but I'm not naked, guys.
In Ivory, and then also brand new Tarte.
Ooh, I have that.
Concealer on the inner part of my under eyes. That's light. I love that. A brand that appreciates us pasty ghosts out there. Right here.
So she puts it like
on the tops of my cheeks.
On the nose, here.
And to blend it in, I'll be using my new Morphe Beauty Sponge. I have no idea what this is called.
What? I never do concealer like this.
Harder and more rough, and they kind of.
I'm so scared to do my eyeshadow. But I don't have the NARS powder in Snow, but I have the Laura Mercier in translucent, so just gonna use that.
So not gonna lie, really impressed with this. It is harder to go underneath the eyes with this, so I might too much and then start buffing it in. And that is how she sets the face. To blend in my under eye area, I'm going to use shivering white powder. And with this, I'm just going to brush away the bake.
I'm just going to brush away the bake because I don't have that. You know, I just realized her brows are already filled in. So I'm just going to quickly fill in my brows. Rookie era Aisha.
Priming my eyes using this Paint Pot by MAC.
Okay, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape again because I don't have the Paint Pot by MAC. So I'm going to be saying I don't have this through this whole video because it's the truth. I don't have it. I don't really buy makeup that much, so that's why. I just thought this video would be fun.
With Morphe's Porcelain.
Well, I'm going to be using a translucent powder to set my eyes because I don't have that again. I feel like this video is already a fail.
Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette.
There's my palette.
With the color Bon Fresco first.
Okay.
And with a brush, I'm just gently applying that to the crease. Start adding more layers of Bon Fresco to create more depth. You can
I need to pause there for a second. Oh my god, it's going so fast. I can't keep up. Mine looks nothing like hers.
Color right here called Venetian Red. And with my favorite lower lash line brush, the M508. This is perfect to pack on color on the lower lash line.
Venetian Red on the lower lash line. She went kind of low with it too. Okay. Guys, this bit looks like nothing compared to what hers is.
Red ochre. And I'm using
red
here
ochre
corner to meet in that crease.
I'm so confused. What did you do?
On that outer corner to meet in that crease. And then with the little Morphe M514, I'm just gonna blend and buff that in.
Mine's not going on pigmented like hers. Blend and buff that in. I feel like I look really weird.
A new inner corner on the lower lash line.
A new inner corner.
To cut, it's like cutting the crease, but we already put the crease in, so by
I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape.
Mimic a cut crease. And to cut the lid, I'll be using a Sigma Lip L05.
I never do cut creases. I'm gonna feel attempting a cut crease. How do you do a cut crease? Oh my god, how do people do cut creases? One is a lot higher than the other one. Ah!
On top I'll be applying Vermeer.
Vermeer?
Of course you want to
Okay.
say against. Applying this Jouer Pink Pearl Powder Eyeshadow.
I don't have that, so skipping that step.
And on the inner third of the lid, I'll be applying the Stila Metallic Rose.
I'm going to apply a Australis Metallics eyeshadow instead, and this is in Guns N' Rose Petals. The eyeshadow turned out a lot better than I thought, because this is my first time actually trying a cut crease.
So cool, so fun, so amazing.
I'm using my eBay lashes. Okay. I'm just going to quickly put these on. The next step.
Renaissance our eyes. It's time to modern renaissance our cheekbones.
Did she put anything in her inner corner? She put it in a corner.
Quickly highlighting my inner corners using Porcelain by Morphe again.
I'm just going to be using the Vermeer out of the palette for my inner corner. Mascara, so I'm using my Bad Girl Bang for my little light.
The first thing, this is already on my face because I didn't realize I wasn't filming it. I'm using Breakup by Nikkietutorials.
I'm going to be using the bronzer that pretty much everyone owns, Hoola by Benefit.
Cut. You do that if you focus on the base there and the contour itself, you have so laid your contour. Third Throbe.
I'll be using this one, California.
I love this color so much. It just matches these eyes perfectly. So I'm also going to warm up my face. A little bit blushing my forehead.
Oh my god, I never
yes,
do that.
People, it's the thing.
What? Okay.
The chin area.
I'm going to be using the Becca Champagne Pop.
Enough, but like if you're like up the out for a metallic shine, warm browns, but it's so versatile. You can do so much.
I'll be using the Urban Decay All Nighter. I don't know how I feel about the lip color. I would prefer this with a nude lip, to be honest. And look.
Where's my mind? Maybe it's in the gutter.
I had a lot of fun filming this, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and everything's down below in the description. I love you guys so much. Bye.